Man and girl go out to drive in the moonlight. They stop on a side of road. He turned to his girl and say, "Baby, I love you very much." "What is it, honey?" "Our car is broken down. I think the engine is broken. I'll walk and get some more fuel." "Okay, I'll stay here and look after our stereo. There have been news reports of stairs being stolen." "Good idea. Keep the doors locked no matter what. I love you, Sweaty." So the guy left to get full for the car. After 2 hours, the girls say, "Where is my baby? He was supposed to be back by now." Then the girl hears a scratching sound and a voice say, "Let me in." The girl doesn't do it. And then after a while she goes to sleep. The next morning she wakes up and finds her boyfriend still not there. She gets out to check. And man door, hand hook, car door.